Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. We have got some great news and some disappointing news in AI. The great news is that Grok 4 is coming, and the disappointing news is that Salesforce will hire no more software engineers in 2025 because of AI. And we'll discuss about that in detail. And also, you see that DeepSeek launch has been postponed. What is the reason? All the things we'll see one by one. So if you see that Elon Musk posted yesterday that grinding on Grok all night with the XAI team, good progress will be called Grok for release just after July 4th and need one more big run for a specialized coding model. So basically they are releasing Grok 4 as a model where you will get all of the advantages. And also this person who is building this Grok 4, he also announced that coding to improve Grok's coding is pure joy. Means they are improving the Grok's coding capability with the help of coding, likes art for art's sake. Okay, this is very interesting. And vibe coding with the team in the war room is fire. Please share your real world coding problems, examples, those you may ask in Cursor's agent mode for Grok to cracks. So they are asking people that if you are facing any problem in coding, then please share it with us. So we are making Grok for you only so that you people can do the all of the things that you are doing currently in Cursor or Windsurf that you can do here also and in more better way. And so if you are facing any problem, just go to this post and comment down below in comment section, and they will test all of that things with the help of Grok 4, and they will make that Grok 4 so that it can perform all of that things. And you see that one person shared on Twitter that this company Replit, I hope many of you know about this Replit AI code editor. They also provide the AI coding facility. And this person posted that till this 2025, means for the 8 years, they got only the $10 million revenue, okay, annual recurring revenue. But after they launch their AI coding facility, they go from $10 million to $100 million in 1 year. And this is very much interesting. And we can see that how people are actually or that AI can disrupt the things and AI can actually change the way that you think. Okay, so without the AI, this company took 8 years to reach this $10 million annual recurring revenue. But with AI business, with AI coding facility that they have integrated in their platform, they reached from $10 million to $100 million annual recurring revenue within a 1 year, means a 10 times revenue. And also they have posted this that no one is going to code without AI again, because the way we have seen that Cursor, Windsurf, or this VS Code, and also this Gemini CLI that I have also covered in my channel. So I have made 3 videos on Gemini CLI. One is this Gemini CLI setup, another one is this Gemini CLI plus client integration that many of you asked me that how to use it with VS Code, and also this Gemini CLI plus MCP and the checkpoint. So basically if you watch these 3 videos, then you will actually leave Cursor or Windsurf, because all of the facility that you get there, all of the things you will get here also. And also this Gemini 2.5 Pro is for free. There is some limit like 1000 model request, but that is enough that I think. So you should definitely try this Gemini CLI. And the scary news that I have got, that the Salesforce hiring. So they have declared that Salesforce will hire no more software engineers in 2025 because they have published or they have created their own product, which is Agent Force, and this is company's flagship artificial intelligence product, and that is actually helping them to boost their 30% productivity with the help of this AI. And they are also telling that we are not adding any software engineers next year because we have increased the productivity this year with Agent Force. Agent Force is actually their product with other AI technology that we are using for engineers team by more than 30%. And that's why we will probably add another 1000 to 2000 salespeople in the short term, not for the long term. Okay, and this is very much scary. And also, we got this news that DeepSeek has postponed the launch of his highly anticipated R2 model that we have discussed some days ago because the CEO Liang being dissatisfied with the system current performance, because they have spent several months for refining the R2 model, but there is some problem that they are facing, that the pressure from the US export restriction that have created several shortage of NVI DIS server chips needed to deploy the advanced AI models in China, because this R2 model is a great model, and to deploy this type of advanced model you need some chips, and there is a shortage of chips. And also the CEO Liang is not satisfied with the current performance, so that's why they have delayed the R2 model releasing. And so for that we have to wait. So I think you got to know many things from this video. And guys, if you want to get this type of AI news daily and AI tool related things, AI coding tool, then just don't forget to subscribe this channel, and please like this video if you found helpful, and see the other videos also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.